Welcome in the AWS Networking Solutions course. My name is Tomasz Lelek and I am a software engineer programming mostly in Java and Scala. I am also a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. I've created multiple production microservices that works in a cloud. So let's see what we will learn throughout this course. So we'll start from AWS Networking Essentials. So we'll start from creating account and spawning some EC2 instances. We'll be configuring VPC for them and also load balancing. In the second section, we will be looking at the more advanced networking topics. So there will be an introduction of AWS command line interface. We will see how to create AWS architecture diagrams, and we will be looking at the route 53 tool that is used to route traffic our virtual private cloud. In the third section, we'll be looking at the advanced networking automation. So we will take a look at the OPS Works, that is a tool from AWS to automate everything related to cloud and provisioning of our infrastructure. In the fourth section, we will be looking at the security and cost monitoring of our virtual private cloud. So we'll be looking at two tools. First is CloudWatch and second CloudTrail. And we'll be leveraging those tools to perform monitoring of our production software. In the last fifth section, we'll be looking at the AWS networking and network storage concept usage. So we'll compare a SAN and NAS software. We will look what is it, and also we'll be understanding elastic block system and elastic file system. Those two systems give us the ability to attach storage that is persistent to our EC2 instance. There are two prerequisites to this course. First is basic understanding of cloud and how cloud is working, and also some command line interface understanding. Target audience of this course is aimed at DevOps professionals or software developers who have a grasp of basic networking concepts but only an elementary knowledge of the services AWS provides, and are interested in applying their networking knowledge in this new context.